And here we have 19657. And we've got 56652. Both 95s are now funny. I hope that 19658 will come soon. Here we have 95. Second 95. This is 15665. WA10GHG. 9502 and 9501 both running now. So 295s. 18607, 15665. 15665 should receive a branding really. What's that, sister? What's the matter, Fred? Maybe some other places. We'll do some bus buses in 95s down here. We'll literally go down now and see it ourselves. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be back in a minute with more clips. This won't really go to plan, viewers. Well, here we have 19657 WA60FHO, service 95 to Sandy Bay, via Seafront and Lytton. She has a good thrash on her. What is that? Thrash? And I'm heading back to get my power bank. Just about Mr. 48177 by J74DF said. 48177. I missed her again because my stupid phone that keeps saying up. 48177 by J74DF said. Service 1990 to Pines Road via Exmouth Parade and Keenan Way. And about to pass will be 19657 in a minute. 15665 is on an hour's break to go. Unless they've got the timetable wrong. Arriving into the bus stop now is 19657 WA60FHO, service 95, so that's left via Lytton and Seafront. There you go, on by 400. Now is 19657 WA60FHO, service 95, so that's left via Lytton and Seafront. Doesn't sound like she's scoping. 19607's got a fault with her engine. She needs to go in the garage. And about to pass is going to be 36240 W11CGO. It seems really small. I'm not sure though. I'm going to have to either stop filming so long at Matford or what. My storage is really low at the minute. So I'm going to try and upload it separately and then try and get storage back that way. Here we are. 10696 SN66 VBG on the service 1990, that's Parade. And this service is from Brixington later, it's all about the poor quality. We should see 15665 later. That minute she's on a break. 19657 seems to have a fault. As you heard from previous clips, she is really unwell. She keeps on losing her revs to the point where she might actually break down soon. Hoping 19658 will be ready soon. And the Martin down there is 10696 again. There's some temporary traffic lights. Let's see how well she is now. (19657) WA6FHO 95 to Sandy Bay via Seafront and Vietnam. So the passing up was 19657 WA6FHO and also for 48003 by A15 ADV. Slightly laggy for some reason, I'm not sure why. Here we have 48177 YJ74 DF said on a service 1990 to Ditlam via Exmouth Parade. Passing me now is 48177 YJ74 DF said on service 1990 to Pines Road via Exmouth Parade and Deanham Way. That's 48177 on service 1990 to Pines Road. And we have a seagull. And about to pass this 15665 on a service 95 to Sandy Bay. And I shall chase it. Only because it's going to cross over, isn't it? The other 95's not yet shown up. So I shall chase it. It is going to cross over the road. 19657. Beep 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 beep. Excuse me, thank you. Oh, 19657, there she is. Both 195. 15665 on service 95 to Sandy Bay. 19657 on service 95 to Exmouth. And now it's time to chase her. In actual fact, I might as well do what I want. I might as well try race her back in a minute and she turns up. I'll be back in a minute once I've won the race, if I've won the race. This I'll be just in case. Oh, and that's why. won the race. 196.7. Look, it's the epic time. Coping much better now. I think the driver might have just been revving her up or messing around with her. I know that I haven't got a very good view of 15253. So let's change that, shall we? Oh, 2 double deckers following. 30 passengers on that 99 are thinking that I want to be on that one. I bet you the passengers on that 99 are thinking, oh, I'd rather be on the open top bus than on this boring bus. I like 607 15253 following. And just enjoying the sounds of this. Sounds like a bit of a bus sound. And you didn't hear it very well because of the traffic noise and that. Oh well. And just over there 15257. Right, yeah, 65 XDW, who's double tracking. Because you can get another bus, has her ticket machine. Parks my bike in a awkward place. But it's the best spot really for bus crossing. Oh, what? Crossover thing, no chase. So we have on 5257, Ryan 65 XDW. And 157 to Bradley, Salary 4003, YJ15. ADV. Can't believe it. One 5257, 99 to Brixton. Ryan 65 XCW and 4003, YJ15 ADV, 157 to Budley Salterson. Back in a minute with some more buses. Or if we see any planes or birds, I'll film them, such as that pigeon. Earlier I saw one fly up, linger, then it flew across me. So I'm gonna head over there, maybe. I head over there. Oh dear. Pigeons. No idea what's going on here, viewers. But I like it. And just behind should be 48179. No, 48177. Sorry. What is this? Noise. Just behind should be 48177, like I said before the episode. I'll let you enjoy it. So we have 177 by data before the asset. So 39 to get them. So if you can even hear me first, I'm not going to use it for her. They finally done it. had their babies. Congratulations. Now we've got 3, 4, 5 seagulls up there now. 3 of them are babies now. Congratulations. Oh, what the hell? Oh. Hello, seagulls. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear God. Oh God. Oh God. Ah! Oh! Oh no! Oh my God! Here goes another seagull attack. He's like, hey! Oh no! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! They're all charging at each other like. He's like. So weird videos. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no, seagull. Let's see. And from another angle, here we have it. A seagull that's literally being greedy. Taking all the food they can, whilst running to and fro each piece it finds. Also, I'm not sure if that pair have had their babies yet. I think that was just a dream. Okay, everyone's up there, so I know they've had theirs. But I think they've moved on theirs now. Oh. Right. Ooh. Ow. Nice. Scaredy seagull. And here we have some more seagulls. Seagull! Whoa! Seagull! No, okay. Can you just move so I can actually see your babies, please? They ain't moving. I want them to move so I can actually see the babies. Ah! 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 What food? Oh. I just don't seem to be eating them. I think they like bird only. Seagull! He's like, I'm out here, bye. That was just a bit of a mess around, by the way, guys. And back in a minute with another clip. We have a new friend up here. Aww. Oh, it is spring now. No, you're not. Oh, seagulls. Come and get me now. Don't care. Just come and get me. Come on then. Come on, attack. Well, you two chilled. Chilled. Oh, God, there's a seagull. Oh, yes. Oh, this one wants to fall. And I can take photos of it. And so there's 10,000 seagulls that we're circling. Literal. Seems to be absolutely nothing here except for a couple of crows over there. It's nothing. As I say that, seagulls come. And there's a few fish. Let's go see these seagulls. See how they're getting along. And the food seems to have gone. I think they've been here without me looking. Yeah, what's this exploding everywhere? I think this rock is actually not a rock. It's actually not real. And they've only got one seagull. Look after them. Oh dear! Is that right? Thank you. Oh, that was not very. Oh, that was not very good. Right, that seagull just got absolutely that seagull just got tortured then. And there we have a cat. Oh! Yeah, and a very frozen cat. Poor bird. Really do feel sorry for it after that last clip. It got tortured by its mates. More like his enemies now. I think his mates are enemies for him now. I think he's just a bit frightened. Still recovering. The second I came in, they all started. Oh, he left me a little present. Oh, look at them. Don't what the? When that feather came down, though, it was funny. And then she went, hell. What the hell is happening? Whee! Wow. Goodbye to those seagulls. I just got a whole load migrate that way. Off to bed. Soon I'll be up for seagulls today. Oh, you chat? Right. And this shall be about it. Yeah, this will be about it for tonight due to storage is low in there. And the typical thing is a two-tone just happened off of a train. And we should do a bit of train spotting at some point. Not sure whether it's my phone or whether it's just like... Yes! Oh my god. Oh.